If you're an Amazon seller using DataDive, this one is for you. You have our alerts set up. Indexing issues, blind spend, competitor price tracking. DataDive watches it all. But if you're not logged in, you may be missing them. I'm Lauren, Customer Success Lead here at DataDive, and I can tell you that getting alerts outside of DataDive has been one of the biggest requests that I've gotten. Today is the day that feature is here. We just launched Webhook integrations, which means now your alerts come directly wherever you are. In Slack, in your own custom tools, or wherever it is that your team works. Know about an alert the moment something needs your attention. In real time. We're starting with Slack, and getting set up only takes about 5 minutes. We've built an incredible step-by-step tutorial to help you get set up. No code, no tech background needed. Just 2 browser tabs and a Slack channel where you want the alerts to come through. Amazon is always changing. Algorithms shift and competitors move fast. DataDive is your constant, and now it's going to follow you wherever you go. Once you're in DataDive, go to your account, click Integrations, and the Create New Integration button. Follow the prompts, and then we've built a step-by-step guide. It's going to walk you through every single step of the process. Your alerts are already working, and now they'll follow you wherever you are. Find the link below to get started. Let us know how you use it and how much you love it.